Hi, I'm Robert Fortier, Executive Chef, Plantation Bay Country Club. Today we're going to be making some stuffed oysters with a tasso ham stuffing topped with a hollandaise sauce. Some of our ingredients are going to be onions, peppers, scallions, tasso ham, little white wine, fresh garlic. So let's begin. I'm going to heat my pan up, get it good and hot with some butter. Then we're going to, when the pan gets good and hot, we're going to start with onions, peppers, and garlic. All right, then we're going to start with some onion. Fresh chopped onion, little red and green pepper, and some fresh garlic. Little extra garlic for the garlic lovers. And we're going to saute these ingredients until they're nice and tender. When the ingredients are translucent, we're going to deglaze the pan. So I'm going to start with some white wine, a little bit of the Cajun stock, and then a little bit of heavy cream. We're going to swirl this in and let it start reducing. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and now we just have to wait a couple minutes for it to reduce. We've done this dish quite a bit for specials, and people seem to really enjoy it. Now I'm going to add the tasso ham to it. Has a real good spicy bite to it, plain. And it enhances something like a stuffing tremendously. We want some of the wine in the stock to reduce so it tightens up a little bit. And then in the end we're going to be adding some panko breadcrumbs to it to tighten it up. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit thicker. Going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Turn down the flame a little bit. And add some panko, which are Japanese breadcrumbs. I shut off the gas just to, now that we're got the stuffing where we want it. And now we're ready to stuff our oysters. Stuff the oyster, a decent amount. I'm trying to spread it out and keep it all about the same thickness so they cook about the same time when they go in the oven. Okay, now at this point, we take our oysters and we put them in the convection oven. About 8-10 minutes at about 375 degrees. And then when they're finished, we bring them out and top them with hollandaise sauce. We put them on a plate with some fresh microgreens, just for some color. And there you have it.